I don't think people believe me when I said it on stage last week at Bitcoin 2022. In an interview with Yahoo Finance, Cathie Wood made a bold price prediction about Bitcoin. It's no secret that Cathie has stated that she firmly believes Bitcoin will hit 1 million, but this time she put the time period behind it. Bitcoin is currently trading at 4,500, up 1.7% in the past 7 days. Bitcoin has been trading sideways generally in the 35 to 45,000 range ever since the 50 drop in January of this year from its all-time high of 66,000 in October of 21. Bitcoin reaching $1 million might seem like a long shot as of now, but with the halving not too far away, many pundits, analysts and talking heads also believe that reaching a high six figures to $1 million per coin is feasible, while many believe that Bitcoin's path to 1 million rests mostly on the institutional adoption that everyone is expecting. Cathie had a different view on this, but before we get into Cathie, we want to thank the sponsor of this video. Ms. Omaze is on a mission to transform typical charitable giving. Watch until the end to learn how you can win 100,000 in cash. You know, it's somewhere between 2026 and 2030 is where we think that $1 million from 40,000. I don't think people believe me when I said it on stage last week at Bitcoin 2022, but I meant it, and many people think, okay, so you're assuming that institutional investors become huge holders of Bitcoin. No, we're not. We're assuming though that they will move in gradually, and by the time we hit $1 million. Plus they will have a 2.5% exposure to Bitcoin. Now this is such a big idea, and that is such a small allocation. Yeah, I think they will regret not having more because as I mentioned, this is the first. Each word I'm about to say is really important. The first global big idea, private, meaning not overseen by any government, digital rules-based monetary system. It is a big idea, and my mentor Art Laffer, when he was collaborating with us on our first white paper in 2015 on Bitcoin, he said, "This is what I've been looking for, a rules-based monetary policy. It might not be the right rule, but it's a step in the right direction." And of course he means by that it's a great store of value because it's mathematically metered to stop at 21 million units. So that's a quantity rule. So great store of value, a scarcity meaning but not a great means of exchange, right? That would mean a flat price rule. So but we think over time even that will thanks to the Lightning Network become more of a means of exchange in a unit of account, playing all three roles of money. And just to top this off, when Art and I and Chris Bernisk, at the time our analysts, were collaborating, I remember saying, "Art, how big could this be? This is amazing." And he said, "Well, how big is the US monetary base?" And I, back then it was $4.5 trillion and Bitcoin was $6 billion in market cap. Today it's 800 billion. You said, well, $4.5 trillion today, that number is 9 billion. So you know, it's a very big idea. To watch the full interview, check out the link in the description. What do you think of Cathie's thoughts here? Leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.